everybody, it's Celestia and welcome to A Crafter's Story. So every year, around about this time, in fact I think I'm a little late, I make all the cards, birthday cards, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all of them for the family. And I'm a little late. So I thought to batch make a few of them. I'm going to make, I suppose you could call it something like an ATC card topper. And I'm just going to use a bunch of different materials, see what happens, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that I can come up with something nice for my cards. So I've got these colors that I just, colors I like. So these are the ones I'm going to get started with, and they're some of my alcohol markers. I'm going to use the chisel tip and just sort of, I'll try for the kinda, sorta, maybe do something similar in each one of these, and I may be going over in places. Don't know, really don't have a plan. I just know that I'm going to use each of the colors, and then let's overlap that one and that one. Maybe this one will just go all the way up. Oh. Okay, let's do a yellow. And what I'm doing in one, I'm doing in another. So they're going to look similar, and that's okay, because I can just put these away and use them year after year. Another purple. Let's see, maybe I'll just go. I'm not really thinking too hard. I'm kind of just doing whatever. You know, sometimes when I'm doing something like this, it's I don't know if I can call it a palette cleanser artistically, but I think it is, because I get a little bogged down with my other art projects that I do. I do a lot of design projects, and I don't know, just creatively sometimes my head gets a little congested because I have so many ideas and I want to do everything, and I can't do everything because I don't have the time, and if I do everything I'll finish nothing. And so doing something like this where I can just it's got a purpose. I'm going to be using these, but I don't owe anybody this work. I don't have to upload it. It doesn't have to go on my Spoonflower account or Etsy or anything like that. I can just play. So sometimes it's nice just to kind of pull back a little, hey? I recently did a course, and part of it was called Leverage Your Art, and Stacy Bloomfield is the lady who put the course together. She's incredible. She's a pattern designer, and one of the things she really kind of tries to get us to understand is that while we are creatives and we love to share our work, sometimes just taking a break is a good thing too, and I think that's what I'm doing now. I definitely need a, as we all do, just a moment, just a moment to kind of do something else. I kind of like how those have turned out. So let's see if I got a marker out. and just, I'm just gonna keep going with these guys and just add lines, add circles. So those were my ink markers, and this is just honestly a dollar store, guys, like a fine liner, I suppose you could call it. They're kind of nice. They do, you can't really use any water over them, they run, but for something like this they're perfect, like that. So maybe I go in here, so if you guys try this on my community page, my YouTube community page, I think, and guys please correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm always wrong about something. But if you I think you can also upload what you guys have been doing, and I always love to know if something I'm doing has sparked an idea for you. And if it is something, or if you decide to do a YouTube video doing something like this, please tag me, or I don't know how you would want to get hold of me and let me know, but I'd love to know if you are, because then I can come and visit you on your channel, and yeah, just see what everybody's doing. I think we all can inspire one another. It's the next morning, early morning. I think it's about 5:30 right now, and I'm getting an early start, but I had to leave these yesterday. I just didn't have a chance to finish, but it was kind of nice because it allowed the gold paint to dry. I'm gonna put my desk lamp on just so you can see the shimmer from the gold paint. I think it came out so beautifully. So here are 4 of the 8 that I did, of the 8 little ATC cards, I guess you can call them, and I wanted to show you how I used the other 4. So I made just a regular ATC with one of them, and I've got this wonderful little sort of 3D effect here with a button. I actually think it's a brad, but it looks like a button, and it says collect moments, not things, which I think is what I was trying to do with this last project, this little sort of arty exercise. And then I did do a card topper, but I created it with a little extra collage. So I used my little ATC, and then I added more gold paint. I added some more of my papers. I added some more doodles. You might recognize that from my, I think it's doodle number 30. Some more doodles. So here is a card. So that's definitely something I could use it for. And then I took one of the doubles and I folded them in half and decided to make a little booklet out of one of them. So it's going to be a double-sided little book with papers inside. So just 3 ideas of what you can do with these little sort of multiple ATC card type art exercises. I'm trying to get everything to fit in this in the frame, so you can see. Maybe if I put this, there won't be so much shadow. I don't know if I made that worse with the lighting, but yeah, just 3 ideas of what you could do with these guys once you're done. And of course, like I said, you can keep adding, use them in collage, put some 3D elements on them, some sayings. I kept adding some of the black lines. Sky's the limit, guys. I hope that I sparked an idea and that this is something you'd want to try. Just have a moment with your art pens and your papers and mixed media, and I will see you next time. Bye.